The day my sister and I met. My sister and I have the same name. We're both called Sarah. When we were kids, we used to fight a lot. One day our mom said, "I'm going to the store. Who wants to come with me?" I wanted to go, but I was also a bit scared because I didn't want to meet another Sarah. So I said, "No, thank you." My mom said, "Are you sure?" "Because she's your sister and you've never met her." Then I got really scared. I thought, what if she is older than me and she has a boyfriend and she doesn't like me? But then my mom said, "Don't worry, Sarah. She's younger than you. You'll be the cool big sister." And I thought, wow, I'm going to be an older sister. That's so cool. When we got to the store, my mom said, "Sarah, this is your sister. She's 4 years younger than you." Then I asked her, "Can I call you little Sarah?" And she said, "Sure." And that's how we met.